Hello, my name is Tina Gauthier, and this is my portfolio defense for FELS Standard 6. Recruitment and professional learning. Effective educational leaders build the collective and individual professional capacity of school personnel by creating support systems and offering professional learning to promote the academic success and well-being of all students. What this means is effective leadership is recruiting the right people and investing in their growth, shaping the future of our students. This involves strategic planning, ensures recruitment and professional learning are integrated and intentional systems that promote teacher effectiveness, student growth, and alignment to the school's mission through improvement plans, setting goals. The intentional hiring, bringing in professionals who align with the school's mission and values and vision. Professional development, it promotes the shared commitment for student achievement, equity, and positive school culture. By creating a culture of continuous learning and reflection, administrators can use walkthroughs and assessment data to guide professional development topics, offering differentiated professional development to meet the teacher's needs as well as student needs through peer observations or instructional coaching can help align the school's improvement goals using student data to support and monitor the professional development plans by providing the feedback, and it's tied to growth goals. To sustain this growth through leadership and mentorship, you promote the school's mission with climate and student growth focus. You focus on capacity development as stated before. You identify instructional and cultural needs of the school by using data-informed decision-making. You align the recruitment with professional learning efforts and invest in the right people that are committed to the school's mission. You also offer ongoing professional development to support through instructional coaching, peer collaboration, and reflection on teacher practices. I was able to demonstrate this in my internship experiences by analyzing the equity, climate, and professional development, by reviewing the learning practices and instructional leadership, identifying the three priorities that are listed. To support this professional development, observations were discussed, the school needs became the focus, and the results in the climate survey were considered when planning the CCR training, the college and career readiness, 1 per quarter trainings that we have for our teachers to improve the practices and outlined above. We also reviewed the recruitment needs and had the opportunity to use the interview guides and rubrics to summarize what our instructional needs are, as well as what we're seeking that was learned in Human Resources Development EDS 6050. And the interview guides from Dodare, we compared them and collaborated on what we can use during my internship to help us fulfill the open positions. So through collaboration, data-driven instruction, and constantly reviewing the improvement plan, and we're able to support continuous learning and improvement for our school. Thank you so much and have a good day.